Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom. But this isn't just any Ford Transit Custom, it is an MSRT long wheelbase custom in a lovely red. This does also come with OZ racing alloys, 3 upholstered MSRT seats, a wide, lovely ergonomically designed steering wheel, as well as heated seats, an automatic transmission, cruise control, hands-free cooling, and also voice assist. And this does also come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, and a reversing camera as well. Now, if I do just show you the load area in the back of this long wheelbase MSRT Custom, you can see it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargo rings dotted about just to tie out any load you may want to carry, as well as an undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, this van does come to you with 52,000 miles on the clock, but nevertheless, it is just as quick and it's just as efficient. It will get you from A to B quicker than any other van we've got here. If you'd like to find out more about this Transit Custom, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. Link is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you can also head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.